How to check Walmart application status. First, go to the Walmart Careers website. Log in with the same username and password you used when applying. Once you're logged in, click on Applications or My Dashboard. Here, you'll see all the jobs you applied for and their current status. Common updates you'll see are things like application received, enter review, interview scheduled, or hired. If you applied to a specific store, you can also call the store directly and ask to speak with the hiring manager. Just mention that you've submitted an application and would like to check on the status. Be polite and professional. It really helps make a good impression. Also, don't forget to check your email regularly. Walmart often sends updates about interviews or next steps. If you opted into text alerts, you may also receive notifications about your application status straight to your phone. Thanks for watching.